Good morning, Crack, Wax and Chat, August 2026, and it's a hot one, really good. We didn't have one in July, so we've had a fantastic turnout this morning. Huge eclectic mix of cars, and I'm going to start with something that, JB, don't look at it yet, right? Let's keep the viewers guessing. This is a car that you wouldn't think I would like. It's a car that you wouldn't think the car factory, All Makes One Passion owners clubs people would like, but actually I love them. I think they are fantastic. I've never driven one. I wouldn't go quite that far. The only shame is that it doesn't come with a petrol engine, so you might be narrowing the odds here. But if I was going to get an EV, I'd get one of these Renault 5. It is nuts. Absolutely love it. I love the way it keeps its original Renault 5 silhouette. I love the way it's styled. Just check this roof out, JB. Unreal. And the Alpine version is even better for me. So if you're ever going to see me in an EV, it will be one of these or an Alpine. Yeah, I never thought I would say that. I really didn't, but I do love them. So one for another day. Flip the coin. 9:30 Targa. Saw this pull up this morning when I was at the top of the road. I thought, what a beautiful thing. As I think our viewers know, we've got a couple of 930 turbos here, but to see a Targa like this is fantastic. Really lovely thing. Pinstripe interior, I really love. Love the whale tail. RS 2000. Seen that here before with a Cosworth engine. Again, Mark II Escort, look at that. Proper motorsport vehicle. Love the flared arches, love the pop rivets. What a brilliant thing. You wouldn't think that'd be road legal, would you? But it is a wonderful thing. Part of the Fast Forward family, as is the RS 2000. Our mate Nick Keats, 911, Kermit Green. Nick Keats, otherwise known as Captain Mannering. V8 Vantage, Mr. Chad Bands. Lovely thing. Hey up, JB Visions. Stag owners do. Got 2 Triumph Stags. I couldn't believe it. This one turned up. This was the first car here actually this morning, and then this one turned up literally directly afterwards. So they had to be together. Cayman. I love this Cayman. I love the black accents on it. It's only the 2-litre turbo version, but plenty quick enough. What, about 300 brake horsepower? Lovely thing. This has caused quite a stir this morning. Ferrari F12. Beautiful. That's Rogers.
Right, this is my prompt to tell you that I'm here at the car factory today. Yeah, what an amazing event. Really enjoyed it. But I've been asked by Steve just to explain about this car that I brought along. It's the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta 2014 model. I've been asked to say what colour this is, which is a special colour. That it's the F1 winning colour of 2007 by Kimi Räikkönen. It's a triple layer colour, so I'm sounding really nerdy here, but I am. But it's a pearlescent Rosso F1 colour, so which is an additional or an extra spec on the car. But I'm a proud owner of this car, and I'm really proud to be here at the car factory to show it off. But what a great meet, so I'm looking forward to seeing this video and see how cool my car is.
Look at the interior. Have a check out of that. And classic car collectors, sports cars collectors will know these are on the up. It's actually been said in recent weeks that people think that the new electric Ferrari that's come out is actually prompted the increase in value of things like these Speziales, 458s, 488s, 812s. Don't know if that was a clever move by Ferrari or not, but it certainly increased attention and value of these things, which is, I don't think, any bad thing. G-Man, my best mate in the entire world, Greg, his Spitfire, which we have not seen on the road since you originally brought it here.
I've just been saying,
yeah.
I have never seen that on the road
No.
in all the years.
Yeah.
I've had it 36 years.
Yeah, I remember it going to Lindridgewood. Yeah. I remember it coming here, and I remember you and I going to the Shires in it once.
What about when we went to Littlethorpe and ripped it?
Oh, when it went to Littlethorpe, when it went to Silver Shield in Littlethorpe, we pulled it all to bits, didn't we?
A million pieces.
Yeah.
Rebuilt, yeah.
So is it all going well? Is it?
Drives well,
yeah.
Yeah.
I love the colour.
Brake calipers on, front brake calipers recently. So.
How long have you had this? From you were 18, wasn't it? This was your second car.
22 next year.
I was going to say that's at least 50 years, isn't it?
Greg had, so your first car was a Morris Minor Traveller,
Yeah.
and this was your second car. My first car was a 1602 BMW, and my second car was MG Midget.
Yeah.
So we had these at the same time. I had a red MG Midget, and you had this, and yeah. I mean, those memories are faded now.
Yeah. Ripping up and down the A50 on rigs. Yeah.
Did we ever go Norfolk in on both? We did in the MG Midget, but I don't know if we ever went with this.
I don't think
no.
I should have made it then, Dave.
No.
It was a bit jalopy when I first got it.
Brilliant. Lovely bloke.
And you, mate?
996 for motorbike enthusiasts amongst us. Norvin. What a thing that is. Vincent and Norton collaboration. Recently brought this. Cafe racer style. Absolutely love it. That would have been like the top of the tree for motorbikes and cafe racers at the time. DB9 Volante. What a mega car. Kyle Shardlow, owner of 996.
Hi.
And cool trainers.
Oh, thanks very much.
Absolutely cool trainers. That is casual, mate.
They'll be in the video.
Yes. Kyle Shardlow's grandson. Does he look old enough to have a grandson this old?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Those are cool, those are fun parts.
Yeah. They suit you, sir. 997. That's Chris's actually. That's the guy with the electric Renault 5. 488. 930 turbo. That is a Sulmeister's who we can't find. So Sulmeister added the Martini stripes to this, which I think really suit it. Here's Captain Mannering. This is the guy with the green 911 outside. James Hunt. Yes.
Hunt the Hunt the racing driver.
Yeah. I think you're like an aging James Hunt.
Aging set. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you'd take that, won't you?
Oh, absolutely.
Lynn, you've been on these videos before.
76.
76.
A great year.
I was 4 years old then, mate.
I wasn't.
How old would you have been then? You're in good nick, aren't you?
21.
71.
I was 20. No, 21.
No, but you're 71 now, aren't you?
Yeah. 71. Then.
You're not putting my age on, don't you?
I'm not putting your age on, Lynn. You're ageless, darling. Maserati bi-turbo. Yaris GR. Everybody knows I love the Yaris GR. There is not a car in here I would rather drive for just pure fun and enjoyment than that Yaris. The DB6. Roger, say hi. Sorry to interrupt, gentlemen. Roger's got the F12. Dave's got the 570 McLaren, which is just behind us. These gentlemen have the 930 Targa outside, which we were praising. I love the pinstripe seats, by the way. Yeah, really nice. Iconic for the period. Royster. Look, we're clubbing up. What we got? Piston broke.
How are you doing, Steve?
Hey up, Stevie. How are you, mate?
Good, mate.
All good. All good. Haylett, say hello. Daniel, say hello.
Hello.
This way, 488, we mentioned that. FF, Ferrari FF, which fabulous car. Austin Healy, not a 3000, 106, BN 106. Oh my God. Here's a Daz Bear. Here's a Daz Bear in his natural habitat with his wife. Look, look, look. Oh, look, look. This is Daz Bear. Daz Bear at leisure with his beautiful wife, Kelly, and the son of which is operating this camera. JB Visions. All good, mate?
All good, mate.
All goodings. Hello, darling. DB24, pride of place. Auntie Vicky, oh yeah, she was coming over to ask a question. I seen her, now she's scurried off. DB24, I love my Astons. How cool does that look? Whoa, Philpsy, Belinda. Philps Meister. How are you, mate?
All right, mate, all right. Tell you,
Paintless dent repair. Mate,
do not follow me in my van.
do not follow you in your van, definitely not. Mate. Hey, Dunny boy, Dunny boy. Corsa, you guys know this. Lee, Corsa.
Hello.
Did you chat to Graham about the XR3 and what he wants doing with his Escort? I was going to introduce you to him earlier. We'll hook him up. I'll hook him up. I'll give him your card.
Yeah,
all right? Before you go, dents. XR2's got one. Little one we want taken out. DB24, there's a, if you look on the near side rear arch, there's a dent in it, which I think someone fell into.
And the 928.
And the 928 you know about. There's a few.
I've got to do a DB2 for a guy.
Have you?
I've got to look at one. See, it's dropped out his garage roof onto
And there's
one.
actually on that, there's a couple on the bonnet as well.
I think he's got a DB2 race car.
Has it?
An original.
Nice. That'd be my
I'll
dream
get
to
some
race.
pics and send some photos.
Yeah, do that, mate. Yeah, do that.
Yeah, yeah. So, but yeah, cool. I'll have a look at it.
So if you brought your kit with you, you crack on and get it done, mate. Yeah. I'll entertain Belinda. How are you, babe? All right.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you. She's good. I don't know. I think she's gone to the gym. I think so. Yeah. BX GTI. Do you like this, Belinda? Got a bit of je ne sais quoi. I'm half tempted to take this on the drive out. I might take this on the drive out. GTI 1.9. To be honest, I think all of these we've seen before. But interestingly, Cleo Williams, if you remember, Cleo Williams was a car that we did the competition with Corsa on the detailing. And the Clio got 48% of the vote, and the XR3i got 52% of the vote. Candidly, I wanted the Cleo Williams to win because I prefer the Cleo Williams as a car. But the Escort was probably in more need for Corsa's detailing services. So it went to Corsa, and you'll have seen the videos, hopefully. The transformation of this car has been unbelievable, unbelievable. I never ever thought that I would ever put the XR3i on display, so to speak. But not only is it on display today, it's on the parquet flooring. And we only put...
What's it?
We only ever put something we're particularly proud of on the parquet flooring. So do go back and have a look at the videos of this, because the journey this car has been on is unbelievable. I cannot believe how well it's turned out. It has been the star of the show this morning. Definitely. Definitely. So have a look at that. Charlotte, my old school friend.
Hi.
How long have we known each other?
Since I was 11.
So what's that?
50 million years.
42 years?
42.
42, 43 years.
Yeah, crazy.
And this is your nephew.
I am.
This is Finn.
I am already on YouTube. I am JJV Roses, aka Finn. I have 5,000 subscribers.
and I am in this car.
Right,
meet.
right,
Thank you.
right. You need to tag us in then.
Yes.
You're going to tag us
Yes.
in. Make sure you do. Yeah?
Yes.
Because you've got way more subscribers than we've got. Right? So look out for that. Get that on the video, mate, yeah?
I also do TikTok as well.
Do you?
Yeah.
We'll do the same there.
Yes.
I'm going to give you a VIP tour in a bit. All right? So don't rush off. Don't rush off. Mickey of the Fast Forward family. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday. All good?
Thank you.
Have a little drive out in a bit.
We are.
To celebrate. Where else would you rather be?
I'd rather be here on my birthday.
Get in. Get in. Is Dad's going to treat you to some clobber for your birthday?
Oh, he might
Yeah,
do,
yeah.
That'd be
Yeah, have you
nice.
seen our little merchandise area? Yeah?
Tell him. He's listening.
In fact, Jamie, you should insert our merchandise in this video. Yeah? We love it, don't we?
We do.
Look at all this. Crack, wax and chat. Becky. Oh, Dave there. Hello, darling.
T-shirt, I've got one as well.
Why ain't you wearing it?
I don't know, I just put this on.
Oh, we'll get you another one. Oh, is it? Oh, well, you need a spare then, don't you? You need a spare. Hey, oh, here they go. Whoa, here we Look, he's here. I knew you were going to turn up. I don't think there's been a Crack, Wax and Chat video where you've not loitered and bombed it.
Right. Do it on purpose.
Steve, Fast Forward family, father of Mickey. So much do.
All right, son.
All good, mate, all good. Causing a bit of a stir, the old Martina.
I know. Yeah.
Paul, the owner of many nice automobiles, and the Norvin that we've been talking about. Just quickly, Norvin, what's the background on the Norvin?
The first Norvin was built by John Surtees, Formula One and motorcycle world champion. He built the first one, but they were the sort of the pinnacle of special cafe races in the sort of 50s, 60s, that sort of era. There's a Norton wide-line featherbed frame with a Vincent twin
Best
engine.
frame, the best engine was it?
It is the dogs. It is literally wonderful. Everyone's commenting on it. Literally everyone. Does it go well?
Yeah.
And how old is it?
It's registered 76.
Is that basically the same engine as the Shadow's got?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nuts, isn't it?
But that's highest ever tuned. Because it's 1200cc.
Yeah.
Trimble head.
Yeah.
Oh,
Such a pretty engine.
It's a beautiful thing. Have you seen, on one for the YouTube viewers, our updated model collection?
I've just been looking at
Yeah. So I've downsized, but my downsizing from a large 5-bed house to a small 1-bed cottage has meant in the last month we've had an epic job trying to squeeze stuff into the cottage, into here, into storage, and selling stuff and blah blah blah. But my model cars have made their way here. I used to say to people, I've got as many model cars at home as I have here, but they're all here now. I absolutely love model cars. Well, you can probably tell. You don't have to tax them, you don't have to insure them, you don't have to MOT them, and they're lovely to look at. Got a few gaps, which is what I want, because then that gives you the buzz when I go out and about. I'm looking for cars that I am missing. I think, JB Vision, I reckon that's about it for today, isn't it, mate? Our next event is at Oulton Park next weekend. That's the IIRT, Industry Insights Racing Team, racing at Oulton Park on Saturday. So viewers, welcome to come along and support us there. But meanwhile, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and really appreciate your support. Cheers all.